In this video, I'll provide tips on how to make your YouTube Shorts trend and go viral. Each of these tips will be crucial in order to go viral with YouTube Shorts, so make sure you use every tip in this video when creating your own YouTube Shorts. And at the end of this video, I will also share insights from Mr. Beast on why he chooses to create landscape mode shorts when vertical shorts tend to perform better and go viral more frequently. So when it comes to creating a successful YouTube short, the most important thing is to focus on your hook. This is what will grab your audience's attention and keep them watching until the end of your video. The length of your video is also an important factor to consider. While YouTube doesn't have a strict rule on the length of your shorts, they do recommend keeping them under 15 seconds in order to effectively keep a viewer's attention. This means you'll need to be strategic about how you structure your content and make sure the most exciting part is saved for last. When you do this, the watch time will increase, which helps the growth of your channel. This will also increase the engagement of your audience. In addition to the length of your video, there are several other elements you can use to create a strong hook. The title of your video, for example, should clearly explain what the content of your YouTube short will be about. You don't need to worry about the length of the title itself, but it should be eye-catching and intriguing to encourage people to click and watch. Other types of hooks include the sounds used in your video, the camera angles, and what is shown on screen. Other types of hooks include using a catchy song as a hook. Just kidding, don't use Baby Shark, we've heard it a million times. A great example of a YouTube short that effectively uses a hook is a video by YouTube creator Daniel LaBelle titled "If Cleaning Was a Time Sport." In this video, the content is fast-paced and exciting, and the title makes people wonder what time LaBelle will get at the end of the video after cleaning everything in his house. As a result, the video has received 12 million likes and has kept people watching until the very end. LaBelle has a large collection of YouTube shorts on his channel that have received millions of views, and the common denominator among them is that the content is fast-paced and exciting with a goal that must be completed in a timely manner. By implementing a similar strategy, you too can create YouTube shorts that keep your audience engaged and increase the watch time on your channel, ultimately helping to grow your channel and increase audience engagement. So remember, if you want to go viral on YouTube, keep your shorts short, make them exciting, and use a strong hook to keep your audience hooked until the very end. To further engage your viewers, consider incorporating the re-hook technique into your videos. The re-hook is a way to get the viewer's attention again throughout the video. This can be achieved by adding subtitles or animated text to every word spoken to emphasize key points and keep the audience's attention. Additionally, incorporating emojis into your titles and hooks can not only increase clicks, but also help convey the emotional tone of the content. By using these strategies, you can effectively re-hook your viewers and ensure they remain engaged throughout the video. So now let me reveal some unique hacks that you should take note of. To give your YouTube Shorts the best chance of going viral, it's essential to focus on increasing their watch time. The YouTube algorithm is designed to recommend content to users based on various factors, including the amount of time they spend watching a particular video. This means that you can keep people engaged with your shorts for a longer period of time. There's a higher chance that the algorithm will recommend your content to other users. This is beneficial for both you and YouTube, as the more time people spend on the platform, the more money YouTube makes. Or, you could just make a video of a cute kitten and watch the views and watch time skyrocket. To increase your watch time, you should strive to create high-quality, engaging content and carefully consider your click-through rate, also known as CTR. A general rule of thumb is to aim for a watch time of at least 80% for your shorts, regardless of their length. By reaching this threshold and ensuring that YouTube has an audience for the content you've created, you can increase the chances of your shorts becoming popular on the platform. Additionally, you should consider the type of content you're posting and how it may appeal to different audiences, as this can help to increase the reach of your shorts. To achieve success on YouTube Shorts, it is essential to have high-quality thumbnails that can effectively draw in viewers and increase your click-through rate. If you want to attract more people to your channel, it is important to make sure that your thumbnails are visually appealing and have catchy titles. One tip that can help to increase your CTR is to use emojis in your thumbnails. A recent study found that the majority of YouTube Shorts users are in the 18 to 25 age range, which belongs to the Gen Z generation. This group is known for being highly active on social media and using emojis in their communication, as they can help to convey emotions and create a more engaging experience. So if you want to stand out and attract more viewers, consider incorporating emojis in your thumbnails to appeal to this younger audience. Now for the next useful tip, incorporating polls into your YouTube short strategy can be a valuable way to increase engagement and improve the visibility of your channel. This technique has been used effectively on other social media platforms such as Instagram and can be a useful addition to your YouTube strategy as well. To get the most out of polls, you should post them about 12 to 24 hours before publishing a short that you want to generate a lot of engagement. However, it is important not to use polls for every short, as this could lead to irritation among your followers and ultimately decrease overall engagement. Unless, of course, you're running for president and you want to annoy the entire country with constant polls. When creating polls, make sure to keep them relevant to the content of your short and offer only 2 options. This can help to encourage participation and show the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and genuine. By using polls wisely, you can effectively boost engagement and improve the reach of your YouTube Shorts channel. It's also worth noting that while polls can be a powerful tool to increase engagement, they should not be the only tactic you rely on. It is important to have a well-rounded strategy that includes a variety of tactics to engage with your audience and grow your channel. To ensure the success of your YouTube Shorts content, it is important to choose a topic that is valuable, interesting, and relevant to your audience. To maximize your chances of success, you should strive to create the latest and most popular content in your niche. This will help you attract the attention of the YouTube algorithm and get your content recommended to users. YouTube's algorithm will look for content to suggest to its users, not look for users to watch your content. Keep in mind that the most important factor in determining whether someone will watch your content is their past watch history, especially the most recent history. Therefore, it is important to stay up to date with what is trending in your niche and create content that reflects that. If you've already established a loyal audience, they may be more likely to wait for your content directly. However, in general, you should aim to create content that is not just waiting around for YouTube to provide you with viewers. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that is likely to be shared and recommended by viewers to their friends and followers. This can help to increase your reach and bring in more viewers over time. Most YouTube Shorts don't go viral in the first 24 hours after they are uploaded. Instead, most of the views you will get on your channel will come after the first 24 hours. This is why it is important to be flexible and make changes to your title and thumbnail if they are not effective. You may want to make the title or thumbnail more eye-catching or tap into a trending topic more effectively. Alternatively, you may want to replicate the style of another successful video. Keep in mind that YouTube content has the potential to live forever. For example, if a popular YouTuber like Mr. Beast uploads a video that is related to one of your shorts from a few months ago, your short may have the potential to go viral if it receives enough watch time and has an effective title and thumbnail. It's important to be patient when it comes to posting YouTube Shorts and other content on the platform. Some channels take days, weeks, or even a month to see growth. If a YouTube short is placed in the short shelf, it is likely to see a significant increase in traffic and growth. This shelf is based on the performance of the short and is where the majority of traffic is directed. The amount of time it takes for a short to be placed on the short shelf can vary greatly, with some channels seeing success in just a few days, while others may take weeks or even a month. There are many factors that can impact the performance of a short, including video performance. If your short doesn't perform well right out of the gate, YouTube may revisit it in the future and test it with new audiences. This may lead to an increase in watch time. It is important to be patient and continue experimenting with different strategies to find what works best for your channel. Now, this next point is something really important that I want to stress because it's a mistake that I have made many times before myself. Comparing your success to that of other creators outside of your niche can be detrimental to your own growth and success. Different niches have varying levels of activity, engagement, and views, and it is important to remember that these differences are a result of the interests and preferences of YouTube users. Plus, the last time I tried to compete with a cooking channel, my kitchen ended up looking like a disaster zone. It's best to stick to what you know, folks. For example, creators in the video gaming niche may see more active users and views than those in the educational niche, but this does not mean that the content in the educational niche is of lesser quality. It is important to focus on your own niche and create content that resonates with your audience, rather than comparing yourself to creators in other niches. This will allow you to build a strong and engaged audience and find success on the platform. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to focus on your own content and audience, rather than comparing yourself to others. This next tip I want to share with you is about the use of clips and their lengths. To capture the attention of viewers with short attention spans, it is important to use clips that are no longer than 4 seconds in length. Using longer clips can be boring and may result in viewers losing interest. It's also important to follow YouTube's guidelines for monetization eligibility to ensure that your channel is not at risk of losing its monetization rights. Many creators have had their channels removed from monetization eligibility due to using clips that are too long, even if they are obtained from royalty-free stock video websites. In order to avoid this and maintain your monetization rights, it is important to carefully review YouTube's guidelines and ensure that you are complying with them. In addition to this, it is essential to make sure that every part of your YouTube short is stimulating and engaging to keep viewers interested in coming back for more. By following these guidelines and creating creating engaging content, you can effectively capture the attention of your audience and build a successful channel on YouTube. It's important to use the correct hashtags when promoting your YouTube Shorts. A common mistake is using the hashtag short when the correct spelling is actually hashtag shorts. Using the incorrect hashtag can be detrimental to the visibility of your short. However, if you have a high quality short, it may not matter whether you use hashtags or not. The content of your short will be the most important factor in its success. Using background music can be a useful tip for increasing the popularity of your YouTube Shorts. Many popular social media platforms such as TikTok use background music in their videos to enhance the viewer experience. To find the most popular and trending songs, you can search for the ones that are being used most frequently. This can help to give your content an extra boost and make it more appealing to viewers. Now finally, I will reveal what Mr. Beast had to say when it came to uploading horizontal shorts. According to Mr. Beast, uploading horizontal YouTube Shorts is simply a test to see which formats and lengths perform the best. Mr. Beast tests a variety of different formats and lengths in order to optimize all of his content. Although let's be real, it's not like Mr. Beast needs to worry about the short shelf. I mean, have you seen the size of his bank account? He could probably buy the entire shelf if he wanted to. While it is important to experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your channel, it is not necessary to replicate every tactic that Mr. Beast uses. Many people are seeing him do that and think they should also be doing the same thing, but that's not what you want to be doing because you will never end up in the short shelf. The most important factor in getting your short placed in the short shelf, where the majority of traffic is directed, is to create high quality content that resonates with your audience. If you'd like to learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos yourself, click this video right here.